How to withdraw money from Bullx to Binance. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to withdraw money from Bullx to your Binance account, so let's get started. First, open the Bullx app or website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the wallet or funds section of the website, and from here you'll see an option to withdraw your funds. In the withdrawal section, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies, so select the one you want to withdraw. Open the Binance app or website. If you haven't already, log into your account, navigate to the wallet section, click on deposit. Choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on Bullx, Bitcoin or USDT, and copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Now, go back to Bullx and paste that Binance address. And after pasting it, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure you're withdrawing enough to cover any potential transaction fees. Once everything is set, click on the withdraw button and you may be asked to complete a two-factor authentication, so to confirm the transaction. The withdrawal will be proceeded and the funds will be transferred from Bullx to Binance depending on the cryptocurrency and network. This may take a few minutes or a few seconds. After the transaction is complete, open your Binance app or website and check your wallet. You should see your funds appear in your Binance account under the selected cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.